Sanibonani nonke nginamukela kwi-vlog yami Speed. So lana we were getting ready to go to escort kumcimbi gogo Phuthula, and then sathenga some snacks for the way. And then sadlula Maritzburg cause like we were hungry by the time, and McDonald's was open, and then we're on our way. It was a very long journey, very tiring, and yeah. And this was the first time I sat in the front when my mom was driving like a long distance, cause I genuinely don't like sitting in the front cause I can't fall asleep. Yeah. So yeah, and then I was awake the whole journey. It was very long and tiring. We were still traveling to Escort. You guys, that place is so far. It was so tiring. It was exhausting. Like, tiring is an understatement. And then I took a video, and then yeah, manje besizoqala-ke ugogo besizogida nezinye izangoma and all that. Sizoqala-ke umcimbi wakhe. Lana ugogo besegida nethwasa lakhe eselaphothula, and then yeah, nakho-ke sesigida sonke and bese begida nje kumnandi, impela kumnandi. Umndeni wakhe ubusimupha izipho to-congratulate-her ngalo msebenzi asewuthathile futhi asezoqhubeka ngawo, and they obviously gave her some money. Yes, we all love money, guys. Yeah, so yeah. So that's the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.